Okay guys, today I will show you how you can use live events to rank on the Google page #1. Okay, so we will use special software for this. However, if you don't want to use this software because of any reasons you have, okay, you can simply create live events using simple YouTube channel which you will create for this. Okay, so let us check out these steps. First of all, why you need to use live events to rank high on Google, okay, to rank on Google page #1. People call this system ultimate YouTube super weapon, and this is why. Live events get indexed much faster and get much higher rankings on Google because of this status of upcoming live event. Okay, and we're going to use upcoming live event status to promote any affiliate link we want. Okay, so the step 1, we simply need to open Live Blaster and press new item. Let me show you how Live Blaster looks like. This is my Live Blaster, and when I want to create new event, I simply press add new item. Okay, then you will have a chance to see, let's say, introduction, how you can use long tail keywords to make your video go higher in rankings even faster. Okay, so after that you simply have access to this add new live event screen. Okay, and you will need to fill in all these gaps. Okay, I will not do it right now. I will simply show my already created live events. Okay, let's take a look at this build-your-own mail inbox autoresponder for email marketing. I can press edit item. Okay, and now you will see how I do it. Okay, so this is my article on my blog, build-your-own mail inbox autoresponder for email marketing. Okay, this can be your article on your blog, or this can lead directly to the link you promote. Okay, like here for me, this link leads to my build-your-own promo page. Okay, and I also show in the description all the keywords, okay, regarding build-your-own mail inbox. Okay, so right now I'm promoting build-your-own mail inbox autoresponder, and this is why I created lots of keywords, and also I created some tags. Okay, for these keywords and tags you may simply search for your competitors' videos and simply copy them. Okay, now also what I did previously, I also created let's say image to use it for thumbnail. Okay, and you can also use a dynamic thumbnail generator from Live Blaster, okay, as well. And of course you will need to create your video for YouTube. So you can create your video for YouTube first, then you can create your image to use it like a thumbnail, okay, for this video, and after that you're ready. Next thing we need to discuss is stream date. For example, as you can see right now is February, 21st of February, and the stream date is 27th of July. Okay, and why I do this? I do this because all this time Google will show this upcoming live event on the first page, and if you will try, I will try, let's say, to check it. I can copy build-your-own mail inbox autoresponder for email marketing. Okay, and now take a look. If I look at Google search build-your-own mail inbox autoresponder for email marketing, as you can see, the same video is already on top page, on the page #1. Okay, and if we press this video, let's take a look what we will see. Okay, this video goes to, as you can see, YouTube, to my YouTube channel, and in the description, it is shown here that it is upcoming event for 26th of July. But in the description, I can see all the links and all the description I want to promote. Okay, and this is how this system works. Okay, this is a direct link to my promotional page, and when somebody subscribes, using this link to this Builderall mailing boss autoresponder, I will immediately get commission from Builderall. Okay, so this is how this system works. As you can see, there is nothing complicated, nothing too complicated. And also what I like is that every time when I, let's say, simply start this application, Live Event Blaster, okay, this application will automatically check the rank status. Okay, for example, for this mailing boss tutorial for email marketing, we can see rank #1 on Google as well. So let's check it. I will simply copy this. Title, and let's go to Google. Let's check how it looks like inside of Google. Yeah, the same. I can see that my video, okay, is on the page #1. It's shown on the page #1 of Google. This is why I highly recommend you to use live events to promote your upcoming events and to promote any links you want to get free traffic from YouTube and from Google. This is it, guys.